Today we would like to introduce our Dräger FPS COM 7000 communication unit so you can familiarize yourself with its functions. This video is divided into different sections which allow for easy navigation. Scope of performance, individual parts, cleaning. The Dräger FPS COM 7000 communication unit enables integrated team communication during deployment, both for firefighting and for use in handling hazardous materials or training exercises. The Dräger FPS COM 7000 enables contact with all wearers of respiratory protection even without needing separate radio equipment, while keeping your hands free. The Dräger FPS COM 7000 is integrated with the mask. It sends a clear signal for better voice quality and automatically suppresses all background noise. The FPS COM 7000 facilitates communication over the radio and between the emergency units and their crews. The integrated duplex short-range radios enable two emergency crews to talk to one another at the same time. The wearer can choose up to 10 configurable groups. If necessary, a radio can also be connected in order for the wearer to be able to speak to the incident commander. The microphone positioned outside the mask's ceiling line picks up the wearer's voice. Specially developed algorithms filter out breathing and background noises and transmit only what the wearer is saying. Communication with respiratory protection is thereby rendered clear and distinct. Connection to the radio via Bluetooth or cable allows for connection to a total of more than 350 different radios. The long-range radio is operated by a push-to-talk button and establishes contact with incident command. Two voice amplifiers facilitate communication between people in the immediate vicinity, regardless of which direction their heads are facing. The speaker switch regulates the speaker volume on the earpiece. The firefighters therefore receive announcements from their colleagues at an appropriate speaker volume. The group selector switch allows crew members to choose between different groups. The set group receives announcements via the earpiece. This enables optimal coordination of their work without disturbing communication amongst other crews. The LED indicator shows the wearer whether the device is switched on or off and the device's battery status. The visual signal is complemented by an acoustic signal. The team radio and incoming messages from the tactical transmitter are played clearly and distinctly through the earpieces. The flexible gooseneck allows individual positioning on the ear of the wearer. The FPS COM 7000 can be assembled and dismantled with just a few motions. A holder is used as a mounting support to attach the communication unit to the mask. Existing FPS 7000 masks can also be retrofitted in this way. One communication unit can therefore also be used flexibly with multiple masks. By attaching a safety cap, masks can be at the ready to carry the FPS COM 7000, yet still be deployable. When the unit is assembled, the FPS COM 7000 can be pushed onto the fitting parallel to the edge of the holder and hooked onto the clamping frame of the full face mask. A correct fit is achieved by adjusting the gap between the holder and the communication unit and the mounting lug. After use, the mask is cleaned according to the instructions in the user manual. The communication unit is IP67 certified and is therefore water-resistant and resilient to sprayed and splashed water. In principle, the communication unit can remain mounted during manual cleaning. However, for thorough cleaning, we recommend separating it from the mask and cleaning the FPS COM 7000 with Secusept cleaner and lukewarm water using a soft cloth. Afterwards, rinse with water. When the respiratory mask is cleaned by machine, the safety cap should be fitted and the mask should be washed according to the instructions in the user manual. To dry the communication unit, we recommend placing it in a drying cabinet at maximum 60 degrees Celsius for 30 to 60 minutes. Now the FPS COM 7000 is ready for its next use, improving the safety of emergency crews wearing respiratory protection.